they didn't, so that's good. All right, Red Alliance is ready. Blue Alliance is ready. Refs are ready, and we'll get started with match number 39 in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, all 4 robots moving. I love it. Love to see it. All right. Autonomous mode. Looks like Blue Alliance has at least 1 robot parked under the Skystone Bridge. Red Alliance is trying to get their foundation in. Looks like B.O.B Squad is going to be pushing their foundation all the way into the build site. That's amazing. Amazing and autonomous there. Looks like ELroboTKO is going to try as well. Oh no! ELroboTKO pulled Charlie Brown and moved their foundation out. Moved their foundation out of the way for Highlander
Drivers,
Robotics.
pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And driver control period has started. It looks like both teams coming out of Autonomous had at least 1 robot parked on the Skystone Bridge, as well as their foundations all the way in the build site. So at least Autonomous is probably going to be tied. It'll be up to the driver control period and endgame to see who wins the match. All right, it looks like Rolling Bots is making their way across the field and going to be trying to score a block on the foundation. ELroboTKO is as well. They have Red Alliance has 1 block on foundation. Rolling Bots nearly has it. There's nearly has it. A little wiggling necessary there. And they've gotten it. All right. Meanwhile, B.O.B Squad is delivering blocks for Rolling Bots to deliver stack on foundation. ELroboTKO has another stone in a tower. It looks like Highlander Robotics got a stone on foundation as well. That'll be extra points for the Red Alliance. Oh no, oh no. I think our human player maybe is not paying attention. Our human Rolling Bots player is not paying attention. Our human Rolling Bots player is not, all right, anyways. We've got a 3-tall high tower on ELroboTKO. Good job. Highlander Robotics has a 2-tall high tower. There's so many towers going on this red foundation. All right, human player on Red Alliance delivering their capstone. They're getting that in place to score during endgame. Endgame has started. Endgame. All right, B.O.B Squad is looking to pull that foundation out of the build site. Red Alliance is as well with ELroboTKO. Highlander Robotics has scored their capstone. ELroboTKO trying to get around in order to park. B.O.B Squad is as well. Oh no, it looks like Rolling Bots lost a wheel in the build site, but they're done. That's the end of the match, so they're good. And it looks like Red Alliance has both robots parked as well. And that's the end of match number 39. Good job, Red and Blue Alliances. Yeah, it looks like Rolling Bots parked and then immediately lost their wheel. I don't know what happened, but they're parked, so we're all good. All right. This is a really close match, it seems. It looks like the Red Alliance may outscore the Blue Alliance in the amount of towers they have and their caps.